Okay, let's take a look. So sig figs, we're going to look at sig figs first. We're going to look at significant figures based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And with significant figures, if I am doing addition or subtraction, what is it I need to look for when I'm dealing with my answer?
Like placement.
Yep. Placement or place value. Or placement of the numbers, if you want, in relation to the decimal. Things such as this, 32.35, and say you're adding it to 0.1, well, no, don't do that, 0.106. When you go to do this out on the calculator, you will get 32.456. But in proper significant figures, an addition or a subtraction being all place value, wow, very near with that. Being all place value, we can only go as far as what they both have in common. They both have one place to the right of the decimal, the tenths. They both have hundredths. They don't both have thousands. So they stop right here. We have to stop at thousandths also. You then need to look to the next number, if there is a number, and ask yourself, does it round the last number that I'm going to show? 6 will round the 5. This example would be 32.46. That's the correct answer in significant figures. If it is going to be multiplication or division, what do we look at for that? Who can help me with that? Multiplication or division? Cam? Very good. Lowest number. So we're going to look at the number of sig figs. And in particular, we want to know what the lowest is, and that's what our answer must have. So my example would be 3.1 times 2. Calculator will tell us it's 6.2. But the correct answer in significant figures, this shows 2 significant figures. This only shows 1. I have to go with the lowest number. I can only show 1. Here's my 1. It's the 6. Will the 2 round it up? No. So it is just 6. That's my answer according to the problem I gave you. What this requires that you realize is what's significant and what's not. Numbers such as this. 303. How many significant figures do I have? 3. This is called, all non-zeros count. That is called a trap zero, and that counts. All trap zeros count. I would have 3. A number such as this. How many significant figures? Just 1. Very good. There's only 1. There's no decimal there. These are called trailing zeros. They do not count unless there's a decimal. No decimal, no counting. If I drop 1 there, now I would have 3. But without it, I only show 1. Then we have this one, 0.007, for example. In that case, I have what's called what? What's true about those zeros? What do we call them? Good. Leading zeros. Do leading zeros count? No. Under any circumstance? No. Gone, gone, gone. I only have 1 significant figure. Okay? And if I wrote a number like this, it would just kind of be ridiculous, but if I wrote that, well, I would only have 1. This doesn't, there's no decimal. If I needed to show 2, I put a dot. I would have 2.